Hello everyone. Today I will show you a quick and easy way to delete extra rows in Excel using simple shortcut. If you delete the row manually one by one, it will take a lot of time. So instead of that, select the range, press Ctrl G on your keyboard. This will open the Go to dialog box. Click on the special button. This will bring up the Go to special option. There you will select blanks and click OK. This will highlight all the blank cells in your highlighted range. Within the blank cells highlighted, press Ctrl minus from the keyboard. In the delete dialog box, select Shift cells up or the entire row and then click on OK. All the rows that contain blank cells will now be deleted. Remember to save your work to avoid losing any important data. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.